welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting my grass today, but I'm also going to be doing a power hour, and this is my first time ever doing a power hour with my backyard, cutting my grass and all that stuff. But the reason why I'm doing it is because I only want to spend an hour back here getting things done. And as you can tell, on the back of my fence back there, I have some weeds just, growing up, and I don't have a weed eater right now. So what I'm gonna do is go around and pluck them one by one, pretty much, and cut them. And I'm going to be doing everything by hand and nothing electronic to help me. So I am super excited about that. So, anyways, I would love for you to just watch along with me. I will be talking throughout this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here we go.
And really listening. Not too much fuss, so keep it easy. We could sit in the shade.
So I was being lazy the last time I cut my grass, and I didn't move those crates right there, and I should have just moved them because over there the grass is so stinking high. So hopefully I won't make that mistake again. Sometimes I just get lazy and I'm just like, oh, whatever, I'll just deal with it the next time. But it was so high, I was having to go up on the handle so the part would go up so it would cut off on me. But yeah, that's what happens when you just let it get out of hand.
But I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
pull the leaves, and whatever I can't pull, I'm just gonna cut it with that little cutter thing I have. I don't know the correct word for it, but I call it the little cutter thing. But yeah, I'm just cutting around, and I try to cut. At first I was cutting really close to the root of it, and then as I kept going along, I was just like, I'm just ready for me to be done with this. So I was just cutting as far as I could, and also I just wanted to make sure I could see where I was cutting. I didn't want to just go in blinded because I didn't know what was back there, what could be back there. So I wanted to make sure I could see where I was actually cutting to.
Symphony, symphony, symphony heartbeat. Symphony, symphony, symphony heartbeat. Oh, 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 oh. Symphony heartbeat. Half asleep, in between, on my way to the round of the living. Seek your eyes right here beside. Would you come with me? Sun's rising, and we go. There's a way, come today, let I have it.
Okay, so I have like little berries. They look like blackberries in the back of my yard. And at first I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, I have blackberries. And now I'm like, oh no, I have black, or whatever they are, kind of berries. Because Cooper got a hold of some of them, and I didn't know it because I was cutting that part out, like cutting the grass or whatever. And he came back in and he got really sick. So I don't know if they're like poisonous or like, I don't know anything about it. So if you know anything about berries or wild berries that grow in the back of your yard or something, can you just let me know in the comments what I should do? I think tomorrow I'm gonna try and cut closer to the edges just so I can get those out, but I don't know how to make them stop growing. So if you have any type of tips for me, please leave them in the comments for me. I would really appreciate it.
Darling, let the river run, let the morning come. Darling, let the fire burn, burn, and we go. For the seekers, the for the seekers. I've told my mother, I've told my friend, but I can't bring myself to tell you what I think. We built a palace on stolen ground, on a single string. We had a mission, we had a plan, but tiny changes can be hard to understand. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string. I gambled every token, I thought that we could win, but still my heart is playing on a single string. A single string. And I wished upon the stars, but suddenly I heard you sing. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string. I gambled every token, I thought that we could win, but still my heart is playing on a single string. My harmonies are broken.
Alright, so this is the last place I needed to cut around. It was getting way out of hand, but it was around my air conditioning, so I needed to really cut that so it wouldn't get tied up and tangled up and all that stuff. You know, bad things could happen after that. So I needed to get that done, and I cut as close as possible, like I did before around my my fence. But I still need to go back and just, you know, cut a little bit closer. But by this time, I was done, y'all. I was just completely done and over it. And luckily, my time was close to running out, so I was like praising God for that.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in.
Now I'm going to pick up all the weeds that I just cut, and I'm going to make it into one big pile, and then I'm going to get my trash can and put it into the trash can that we going to dump.
Now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain, and we known each other for so long, and I know you struggle to stay strong. Sing along with me again. When storms are rolling in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. If we start remembering bad memories of the past, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Oh. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up.
Okay, so my power hour was done, but I really wanted to get my front yard cut, so I thought, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my front yard. But y'all, oh my gosh, my dog is a mess. So I'm cutting the grass and I see him, and he takes off running all the way down to almost close to our stop sign. That's all the way down the street. So that's 3 yards that he has to pass. And I'm trying to go get him, and I'm running through all these people's yards just to get him. And this is the second time he's done that, and I thought I left him inside of the house. So anyway, so I just decided I just need to be completely done. I was over it anyway, so I just put everything up and ended my outside working. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all next time. Bye!